In this video, I'll show you how to transfer your Viber chat history to a new phone. Firstly, you need to back up your chat history on your old phone. Launch the app on your old phone. Tap on More and then Settings. Click Account and then tap on Viber Backup. Turn on Auto Backup and choose Frequently. Then tap Backup Now to start the backup process. Now, install the app from your App Store on your new phone. Open Viber on your new phone and activate it using the phone number connected to your Rakuten Viber account. Now, all you have to do is restore the chat history you backed up from the old phone. To do so, open Viber and tap on More. Click on Settings, Account, Viber Backup, click on Restore and then Restore Now. And your chat history will begin restoring. Photos and videos will continue restoring in the background. And that's it. Your chat history, sticker packs, and Viber out purchases should now be available on your new phone. Thank you guys for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.